here I am in my garden. Here's tub number 1. It's kind of not getting enough light, but it's okay for lettuce. Tub number 2 and tomatoes growing on the edge. Tub number 2 has got peppers. It's got a lot of shade too though. But here's tub number 3, which is doing really well. It's got quite a few peppers on it, and I've already got, oh yeah, look at the peppers down in there, see? Peppers down in there, and then I have basil. These tomatoes have gotten pretty out of hand. I got tomatoes in there too. Look how big they are, so they're getting enough light. And then there's the artichokes. And then we got peppers over here. And another tub. And the peppers over here are doing excellent. Yes, they are. Excellent, excellent. And then there's the poodle. Yes. Is there another poodle? Oh, there's lots of poodles helping out. Yes, they are. Then we got tomatoes kind of going straight into the ground without a tub, because I always have extras. And here's the other side of the zucchini bush that's been producing like crazy. And since we love peppers so much, we have more peppers here. And yes, they are producing well in these tubs. And I can keep the water. Yeah, look at all the poodles. They come in here. I keep them sequestered in here because they like to cause a ruckus. So going inside the tomato house, I still call it that. I used to only grow tomatoes in here. But there's tomatoes. And there's also zucchini. I just picked all that stuff, so you can't see it. It was all hanging there. And I got lots of basil. And here's an update on the celery. Yeah, it's doing good. Everything is doing good. The boys are well behaved. Yes, I have to keep them in here. It's early in the morning. Here's my little tree. Look how much that's grown. So everything has grown a lot. Everything is progressing well. Is that what you say? It's moving right along. I got one plant left in a pot, and I'm just leaving it there. And then I got a little baby watermelon coming up. There's the lettuce tub with the arugula. And here is a wonderful cucumber plant. Look how it's flourished. It is doing real well. I got solar text band over it. It's growing all over here. So eventually I'm going to let that take over. I'm going to let the cucumber plant take over. Yes.